In the arena of ultra-portable laptops, three contenders rise above the rest: the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED, the Asus Zenbook 14 Flip OLED, and the HP Spectre x360 14. Each boasts stunning OLED displays, sleek designs, and powerful performance, but which one reigns supreme? We're about to delve into a head-to-head showdown, dissecting their strengths, weaknesses, and that all-important question: which one fits you best? From portability and performance to features and battery life, no stone will be left unturned. But wait, there's more. By the end of this video, I'll reveal the undisputed champion of this lightweight laptop battle royale. So buckle up and get ready to discover your perfect portable companion. Stay tuned, because the winner is only a click away. The Asus Zenbook 14 OLED 2024 offers a compelling mix of performance, portability, and value, making it an attractive choice for those in need of a capable Windows laptop. Priced at $1,300, this model features Intel's latest Core Ultra 7 155H processor, 32 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB SSD, which are impressive specifications for the price. The thin and light design, weighing just 2.82 pounds and measuring 12.30 by 8.67 by 0.59 inches, makes it highly portable and ideal for on-the-go use. The dark blue metal lid, adorned with a subtle tone-on-tone Asus logo, gives it a premium feel, though it's prone to fingerprints and smudges. One of the standout features is its 14-inch 2880 by 1800 OLED touchscreen display. The display delivers vibrant colors and sharp visuals, covering 115.3% of the sRGB gamut and 81.7% of the DCI-P3 color space, making it excellent for media consumption and creative work. However, its brightness peaks at 354.4 nits, which is adequate but falls short of competitors like the HP Spectre x360 14 and the MacBook Air. The laptop excels in short, bursty tasks, but prolonged use leads to thermal throttling, which can significantly impact performance. The keyboard on the Zenbook 14 OLED leaves room for improvement. While the layout is user-friendly, the keys feel mushy and lack the tactile feedback expected from a premium device. This made typing less enjoyable and somewhat error-prone initially. The touchpad is spacious but has a bit of friction, and although functional, it doesn't match the smoothness of a haptic touchpad found in some other high-end laptops. Asus includes a stylus with 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, which is a nice addition, though its practicality is limited on a clamshell laptop as opposed to a 2-in-1 device. In terms of connectivity, it is well equipped with two Thunderbolt 4 ports, a USB Type-A port, HDMI, and a headphone jack. The inclusion of a USB Type-A to Ethernet adapter is somewhat surprising for a 2024 laptop. Battery life is another strong point, with the Zenbook lasting 12 hours and 21 minutes in our video streaming and web browsing tests. Audio performance is decent thanks to the Harman Kardon speakers, which provide clear vocals and instrumentals but lack bass. The 1080p webcam offers good color reproduction and detail, aided by an IR sensor for Windows Hello facial recognition. However, opening the laptop to access internals is challenging, and with soldered RAM, upgradability is limited to the SSD only. The Asus Zenbook 14 Flip OLED is an impressive 2-in-1 laptop offering excellent value and a striking OLED display. Priced competitively between $1,000 and $1,200, it's a versatile ultra-portable that combines stylish design, robust performance, and useful features, making it a strong contender in its category. Starting with the display, the 14-inch 2.8K OLED panel is undoubtedly the highlight. It delivers vivid colors and deep blacks, making it perfect for media consumption and general use. While the screen brightness peaks at an average of 339 nits, which is lower than some competitors, the overall image quality remains superb. The display covers 111.5% of the sRGB color gamut and 83.2% of the DCI-P3 color space, offering excellent color accuracy with a Delta E score of 0.2. In terms of design, it's sleek and minimalist, featuring an aluminum alloy chassis that looks professional and refined. Weighing 3.3 pounds and measuring 12.2 by 8.8 by 0.6 inches, it's lightweight and easy to carry. The 360-degree hinge allows for seamless transitions between laptop and tablet modes, although using it as a tablet can be cumbersome due to the keyboard on the back and its weight. The keyboard on this laptop is another strong point. The keys are well spaced, provide satisfying feedback, and are quiet during typing. The touchpad is large and responsive, featuring a backlit LED number pad, which is a handy addition for those who frequently use numeric input. The included Asus Pen 2.0 stylus is a nice bonus, offering good sensitivity and comfort for drawing or note-taking. Performance-wise, it is powered by the 13th Gen Intel Core i5 or i7 processors, coupled with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD storage. This setup ensures smooth multitasking and efficient handling of everyday tasks, though it's not designed for heavy gaming or intensive video editing. In benchmark tests, it performs comparably to other laptops with similar specs, showing strong productivity capabilities but limited gaming potential with its integrated GPU. Connectivity options are decent, with 2 Thunderbolt 4-chart USB-C ports, a USB-A port, an HDMI port, and a headphone jack. This array should meet the needs of most users, offering flexibility without sacrificing the laptop's slim profile. However, there are a few drawbacks. The 720p webcam is outdated, delivering mediocre image quality that might be a disappointment for frequent video callers. Additionally, the battery life, clocking in at nearly 9 hours in continuous web surfing tests, is good but not outstanding. The audio quality is another area where the Zenbook 14 Flip OLED falls short. The downward-facing speakers lack bass and aren't particularly loud, making them suitable for casual listening but not ideal for an immersive audio experience. The HP Spectre x360 14 2024 marks another leap in the Spectre series, offering a blend of cutting-edge technology and premium design. Although it transitions from a 3:2 screen aspect ratio to a more traditional 16:10, this Ultrabook maintains its position as a top-tier convertible laptop, balancing elegance with high performance. The design and build quality are outstanding. Available in Nightfall Black, Sahara Silver, and Slate Blue, the laptop's anodized metal chassis exudes sophistication. The attention to detail is evident with smooth edges, a sleek metallic sheen, and minimal branding, making it look and feel like a premium device. The Spectre's 3.19-pound weight and solid construction ensure durability, with almost no flex in the chassis or lid. HP's new Spectre features a beautiful 14-inch OLED screen with a 2880 by 1800 resolution, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks. The display supports touch and pen input with an included pen that magnetically attaches to the chassis. The screen's 16:10 aspect ratio provides a good balance for both work and entertainment, although some might miss the extra vertical space of the previous 3:2 ratio. Watching movies on this screen is a delight, with the OLED panel delivering exceptional detail and contrast. Under the hood, it is powered by an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, 32 GB of RAM, and a 2 TB SSD, ensuring top-notch performance for everyday tasks and demanding applications like Photoshop. The laptop also includes Intel Arc integrated graphics, which offer a significant improvement over the previous generation's Iris Xe. The Spectre performs admirably in productivity benchmarks, although it falls slightly behind some competitors in certain tests. However, it excels in long-term performance and battery life, lasting over 11 hours in our testing. The Spectre's keyboard is comfortable and responsive, with large, easily readable symbols and effective backlighting. The haptic touchpad is spacious and offers adjustable feedback, providing a satisfying user experience. Audio quality is another strong point, with the polytuned speakers delivering clear and loud sound suitable for both music and video. One of the standout features is its webcam. With an 8.3 megapixel resolution and support for 1440p video, it produces sharp, well-exposed images. The webcam includes advanced features like Windows Hello facial recognition and various AI-driven enhancements, making it one of the best laptop webcams on the market. Port selection on the Spectre is limited but functional, with 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The inclusion of a USB-A port is a practical touch, even if it requires a hinged door due to the laptop's thin profile. The placement of the ports along the rear corners may take some getting used to, but doesn't hinder functionality. When choosing between these laptops in 2024, the decision hinges on specific needs and preferences. The Asus Zenbook 14 OLED offers a sleek design and strong performance for a traditional clamshell laptop, making it a solid choice for those who prioritize portability and straightforward functionality. The Asus Zenbook 14 Flip OLED adds the flexibility of a 2-in-1 convertible design, ideal for users who need a versatile device for both productivity and creative tasks. However, the clear winner is the HP Spectre x360 14, which excels with its premium build quality, exceptional OLED display, superior webcam, and thoughtful features like the included pen. For those seeking the best overall experience in a convertible Ultrabook, the HP Spectre x360 14 stands out as the top choice.